welcome to our chicken coop update. As you can see, we painted the roof and like the windows and stuff to make it look more of like a house. But yeah, and then we have flowers everywhere, and we added this. This is just box that we used, and we put it in, and this is where they're gonna be laying their eggs. And then if you go here, you can lift up, and there's a hole that you can see into their thing. And then around here, we have this little door so that the chickens can go through. And right now we have silicone everywhere.
There's silicone drying to seal it.
Yeah, and so we're waiting to put this on, and once it's dried, then we're gonna put it on here.
We'll slip the door back on, but one thing that we discovered, it rained today, so we had to quickly throw together a tarp. This is oilcloth, so that we can drop it down to cover the windows.
In case there's like a storm or something.
Mm-hmm.
And then they can walk up here.
Although we may have to fix this because it's kind of steep. We're just using recycled
wood that we have back there. Here is where we're gonna keep the food for the chickens
and other tools.
Yeah, and underneath here we're gonna have this water system so that they can drink water down here.
So we're gonna set up a rain barrel to catch water off of the roof coming down here, and then leads down to run PVC line for watering. And then what else are we putting under there? Food.
What are we? Oh, food, yeah.
Yep. We're gonna hang our 5-gallon bucket.
Oh, and then we have the 3D printer you bought it, and
yep.
there were like these little things that we're gonna put in the buckets so that they can eat.
For the feed.
And this is just for the door. And we can look in here. And we already did all of the...
We already showed that, yep. Yep, so we just cleaned it all up, sealed it up,
and we
silicone.
Made that makeshift ladder there.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna add, tomorrow we're gonna add sawdust, and we gotta add the food and water, and then we'll be ready for chickens. When?
On Tuesday.
On Tuesday.
Day after tomorrow.
And then this is because we also made the mistake of, I'm short, I can't actually check chickens' eggs, so we had to build a ladder, but it works out great because we're gonna put a little dust bath underneath there.
So that they can brush all the parasites and stuff off.
Yep. So, and then we put up fence today. So we fenced off the back corner of this area. They're building over there, and so we actually decided to utilize their fencing because it'll be there for the next couple of years. So there's our wood pile, and this goes over the pool in the winter. But we put in this, we had all these puppy gates, so we just put in a puppy gate here. And we'll decide later if we need to make it taller in case the dogs are jumping the fence. So that's it, it's ready for our chickens.
Basically, all we need to do is a little more with the food and water, but yeah.
Yep.